Hi, I'm Melissa Linardon, and today I wanted to share with you the different types of stone bench tops there are out there on the market. Whether you're building or renovating a kitchen or bathroom, it can seem really overwhelming. So I'm here to help you navigate your way around the different materials. And let's start with, sort of the top end range and work our way down to the least expensive. I'll also talk about the different properties in each as well. So first up, the most strongest, I should say, stone on the market is granite. It is, it's been around for such a long time, and these days they are available in some really beautiful different colors and finishes. So granite is super, super durable. It's not porous, and it can actually be used outside. This is a natural stone, so you're going to pay, it is up there in the market. It can be available in 30 mil, and that is great for kitchens, barbecue areas, and really high level sort of traffic areas too. So this is a really, really good option. Next, in terms of durability, would be quartzite. So quartzite is, still quite strong, not as strong as granite, but quartzite is such a good option if you're wanting that beautiful sort of natural vein in your kitchen benchtop, but don't want to be worried about maintenance or cleaning. This is brilliant too. Quartzite is stunning. It can be used for bench tops. It can be used for a splashback in the kitchen. Once again, same sort of thickness, is up there in price, but if you're wanting a natural stone for your bench top, but don't want to be worrying about maintenance, quartzite is your option. Next, we have, in terms of durability, fairly new to the market is porcelain. It's been around in commercial interiors for such a long time, but now we are seeing it more and more in residential use. So porcelain is a porcelain tile, if you wish, but the great thing about porcelain is it is available in huge slab sizes. So, 3.2 meters in length. So if you're doing an island bench, you are not going to get a join out of porcelain. It's indestructible as well. Lots of brands, you've got Decton, you've got Quantum 6, you've got Infinity. There are so many out there. It is, great for heat resistance too. So to put it on a splashback is great around a cooktop. If you want to use it outdoors, for barbecue areas, and you can also use it for external cladding too. So that's why it was used in commercial quite a bit for, apartment cladding, shopping centers, and floor and walls in shopping centers too. Great option if you're wanting that sort of natural stone look, but don't want to worry about maintenance. This is 100%, the way to go in terms of maintenance free. And you can get some great sizes with porcelain. Still up there in terms of natural stone pricing, but you're paying for the fact that it is no maintenance. Next, we have natural stone in terms of marble. So marble is a porous stone. That means anything you sort of spill onto it, it is going to absorb. So you've got to be really careful with marbles, Statuario, Carrara, Calcutta, all those types of marbles. It's a soft stone, so you've got to look after it. For a kitchen, maybe you could use it for a splashback, and then for the bench tops, because you do cook and prep a lot on the bench tops, you could use a porcelain for an example and really save on maintenance issues. Marble is stunning, but yes, there are some maintenance issues that you just got to be aware of. Some people absolutely love the fact that, if you spill something on it, it's just going to add character. If you are someone that is wanting a clean, pristine, sterile sort of look, and don't want to worry about the maintenance, I don't think this is your guy. There's some beautiful different veining options, and different marbles. You've got travertine and all sorts of beautiful natural stones. But yes, you just got to keep a lookout for maintenance, and you can get some protective films over the top to really help with sort of cleaning. It won't stop the spills from happening. It just gives you more time to actually wipe it up. It can be used, for bench tops and for splashbacks as well. Then next in terms of durability, and probably the most affordable on the market, is your reconstituted stone. So that is Caesar stone, quantum quartz, stone ambassador. It's price point is amazing. Within these reconstituted stone ranges, they have their own different categories. So they've got the entry level, which is really basic flex, and then they do have the marble natural stone look, but it is great in terms of maintenance. You might pay a little bit more for the more natural stone looking reconstituted stone, but not in compared to natural stone, the real natural stone. But indestructible as well. You can't really put it for a splashback because it's made up of a resin, and that's combustible. So you want to make sure if you're wanting to use a reconstituted stone for a splashback around a cooktop, it's got to be that minimum 250 millimeters away from open flame. But if you are using an induction cooktop, you have no trouble using this as a splashback. I hope that has helped you with the different selections and the different options out there. Remember, just like all the cabinetry options, the stone bench tops reflect back on your budget. So if you are wanting, to have that absolutely beautiful marble natural stone look, is it going to be a reconstituted stone option? Is it going to be the real deal? And where can you use it? But if you still feel a little overwhelmed and need some help putting these selections together and unsure of what can actually look great for your kitchen or bathroom, you can book in a complimentary design call with me. So I'll pop a link with a button to take you straight through to there. And I can't wait to chat and really share some great ideas with you. Thanks for watching.